What's going on, everyone? If you are new to the channel, this is Desmond with Operation Work From Home, where I make videos to show you how you can make money from home using your cell phone, computer, or anywhere you have access to the internet. And in today's video, we're just gonna kind of make a game plan on how to crank out more videos on YouTube, even if you think you suck. Okay. Just to give you my story. So I've actually been cranking out more content this year than all the years combined that I've been on YouTube. And I know it's a little bit embarrassing to say, but I just kind of decided to put myself in gear. I got surrounded by, some people, and we all have a goal of wanting to put out more good content. So, I'm just going to share my story and give you some tips on how you can use this to crank out more content. So, when I first started, right, I decided earlier this year. No, it was towards the end of last year that I said I was going to, get started with YouTube. So I made a couple of videos here and there, but I never really took it serious. So the first step is to make a decision, okay? I was able to do that, and then I got started. I didn't know what I was going to do, but I just knew that I wanted to do it, and, well, it didn't have to be perfect. I know before I had an issue with trying to be perfect with my videos, so I actually just start cranking out videos. And first you got to make a decision, then just start just doing it. It just even if it's like 10 seconds, that's 10 seconds more than you had before. So try to just get started, man. Just go ahead and crank out a video, and learn from your mistakes, and I'll come back to that down in a little bit. But so I kind of surrounded myself with people that they also wanted to make more content. So I made a plan. We decided that we were going to crank out videos, most like 5 out of 7 days out of a week. And, so I made a plan with the group that I was with, and, it kind of put a little fire behind me because, well, if you didn't turn in a video or uploaded a video, they will kick you out of the group. So I was determined that I did not want to get kicked out because I saw the value in the training. I mean, just looking at the process of what I was doing before to what I had now. So I may have this kind of like out of order, but you'll see what I'm saying as I go. But so I had joined the mastermind, and then if you're not familiar with a mastermind, it's a group of like-minded people. Could be Facebook, could be some other platform, but I actually met this group on Facebook, and we all came together with the goal, and you just got to execute, okay? And at the beginning was more like competition, and it's like, yeah, I'm gonna beat this person, that person. And then as the weeks continued, it's like you start cheering each other on. It's like, wow, we're all trying to win here. We're all just trying to increase the views on our videos, get better at making videos. And I love seeing the progression of everybody in my group, and seeing how videos at the beginning, they were sucking, and they probably lasted like 15 seconds or less, or minimum, and then how now they're getting over 10 minutes, so it's nice to see that progress. And you don't have to be perfect. That's, I got to keep mentioning that you really don't have to be perfect. My goal in my videos is, there's somebody else that's out there looking for something to do, as far as generating income, and I want to be that guy to create that content to allow people to do that, from the comfort of their home, or, something that doesn't take up too much of their time. Okay. Uh, so, after you join your mastermind, you get your plan. You got to stay committed with it. Okay. Don't give up. Um, I've researched what other people were doing in my niche and kind of like getting ideas of what kind of content that I want to create with my spin to it, And as I continued doing the research and looking at my videos, learning how to do the thumbnails, and I'm still I plan on doing editing later on down the line. So it's some work, but I'd rather do this because I know it's going to pay off in the end than going out and working an extra job that I hate. So why not do what you love? At the beginning, again, it won't feel like love because you're training yourself new habits, new skills that you may not have had. So that takes me to learning from your mistakes. There's been plenty of times where I made videos where I recorded and the voice was so like the mic was off or something like that. So, and I wouldn't know until after I'm about to upload it. And I just play it. And I was like, oh man, I forgot to turn the sound on. So, yeah, you're definitely going to learn from your mistakes. Don't consider it a loss. Consider it a lesson. And just keep going. And then you're just going to have to rinse and repeat. You're going to have to do these steps day in or a couple of days out the week. You're going to have to put in the work. It's not going to be given to you. You're not going to have 1,000 subscribers overnight, unless you're a celebrity of some sort. So just go ahead and just do it one video at a time. Make the next video better than the one before. And you'll start to build up that snowball effect, and you'll start to see some results. And that's ultimately what we want. What I want people that's viewing my channel to do is to get some results, because I know how it is being frustrated, and trying to figure things out. So I just wanted to make this video to kind of, help somebody else that's struggling to get some YouTube content out, and hopefully these tips will allow you to do better and crank out more videos. Again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. All right, y'all take care.